Is urgent. JAMB just released this news that will prevent you from being scammed. You know the country we are in. There are a lot of scammers everywhere. There are a lot of fake websites. So JAMB, the official JAMB body, has raised another alarm, and I'm bringing it to you because I've seen some that are already victims. To prevent you from being that, JAMB raises alarm over fraudulent messages to candidates. Now that we have just few days before your exam starts, the body warned that the perpetrators have been sending misleading messages to candidates, falsely claiming to detect manipulation in their JAMB details and urging them to contact certain individuals who will assist in resolving these fabricated issues. Just pay attention. If you don't get this information, you may fall into this trap. It is going on in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Enugu, everywhere. Some people are getting people's JAMB details, email address and phone numbers. How they do that, I don't know. Then they will send you a message telling you that there is a mistake, that you need to upgrade something. Then you will contact somebody, you pay some money and all the rest. Let me give you the full gist. JAMB has raised alarm over fraudulent messages targeting candidates who register for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam. In a statement issued by the board spokesperson, Fabian Benjamin, JAMB said the false messages are being circulated by suspected fraudsters using a deceptive set code designed to resemble the board's official messaging system. Pay attention, though. You know, people are not smiling. People that even defraud old mothers of their money in their bank account. Is it you that is a JAMB candidate that will not want to defraud? I started telling you earlier on, all of you that are members of this YouTube channel, subscribers, I started telling you about JAMB scammers. Now they have come, every year they do this, every year. There's always a certain guys that try, people that use tech to defraud people. JAMB said the scammers combine a numerical variant of UTME 8863 with JAMB short code 55019 to create a deceptive sender identity. So when they send it, you will think that it is actually from the real JAMB board. They are telling you, and that is why I'm bringing this information to you right now, to know what is going on. Protect yourself, protect your details. Any update from JAMB, I will be the first to give it to you here on Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. And once you see anything you are not very sure of, free to come over and ask me. That's why you need to be a member of our channel. Just ask me how to be a member. Free to ask me. JAMB exam is just in a few days, so you're already at the victory line. Let nothing be a scam to you. Through this fraudulent scheme, they have been sending misleading messages to candidates, falsely claiming to detect manipulations in their JAMB details and urging them to contact a certain individual who will assist in resolving these fabricated issues. The Bob said, if you have been on social media, Facebook, WhatsApp groups and all the rest, you keep seeing people that will tell you, contact one Mr. Fabian, contact this person, so that if you have issue, they will upgrade your result. And some people will now say they saw your JAMB question ahead of time, which is absolutely not possible. JAMB clarified that the message were not from the board and advised candidates to disregard them. So I am also advising you, any message that is not officially from JAMB, disregard it. JAMB is not such an exam that you can play around with. Do you understand? I've taught you that even in the hall, it is impossible to know your JAMB questions before you enter the hall, because you might even enter the hall, the person near you is writing use of English type A, you are writing type D, the next person is writing type C, the next person is writing type B. So, and all the questions will be different. That goes for chemistry, physics, JAMB, biology, government and all the rest. There's actually no way to know the questions JAMB will give you. The best option you have is to keep reading. In our channel, I've given you several past question and answer. By the way, if you need me to give you past question and answer in your JAMB subjects like use of English, if you need me to give you all the videos we've done on the JAMB novel, Lekki Headmaster, or on physics, government, chemistry, biology, we've done a lot of videos on those subjects. That is why I've been urging you within these few days, settle yourself down. You can take permission from your place of work. If you are working, if you are staff somewhere, take maybe 2 weeks permission, settle down and eat your books. This is the only way you can pass JAMB. And this time is not just for you to be reading new subjects. Review the things you have done. Review the things you have done. Review, revise, keep reading. The board added that security agencies have been notified and are actively tracking the perpetrators. This is a common tactic employed by fraudsters to exploit the examination period to deceive and defraud innocent candidates. The public is urged to remain vigilant and critically assess the messages they receive. I am telling you, all members, this is me trumpeting it, all members of our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, please remain vigilant. 2 things I need from you: keep reading your book and verify any information you get. Any information you get, you can ask me. If you already are a member of our YouTube channel, then you must have my phone number by now, or phone number of my team, only for our members, registered members, right? Keep reading and keep being vigilant. Any information you are not sure of, any code they sent to you you are not sure of, please ask me. Please ask our team. Now, they have also employed their website, which they will use to track anybody that is trying to find out the JAMB question ahead of time. This is very important. They said that the board has identified 180 candidates who will be sanctioned either by withholding the result or prosecuting them in the court of law. JAMB is serious, so I need you to just be very serious. What I need you to do now, if you have not printed your JAMB slip, tell me so that I can guide you. I've posted a lot of videos on how you can print your JAMB slip with which you will enter the exam hall. You need me to give you past questions. Please let me know. You are finding anything difficult, or you have even fallen to any scam. Have you fallen? Have you made any payment? Feel free to talk to me. I am here to guide you. I'll be guiding you until the end of this exam, especially for those of you that are members of our YouTube channel. I am waiting for you. Remember, there is no way for you to know the JAMB question ahead of time. The best option you have is to keep reading. Also, JAMB will not give you any scientific calculator in the hall. JAMB will not give it to you. You are the one. They will give you one market woman calculator on the screen. Go and learn how to use JAMB computer, CBT, because you are writing with a computer. If you don't know, let me know. But I need you to make the extra effort. Any question you have, feel free to ask me now. This video on the screen is very important. I'm leaving it for you. Click on it and watch it now.